dear students. Today's topic is related with chapter 2, worksheet 5 and 6. I am going to solve some important questions, not all questions, important questions, and you have to listen what I am going to tell. You have to listen carefully. In the chapter 2, worksheet 5, question number 1, according to my question number 1, you have to divide 2 by 5 by minus 1 by 3. This is the question. How you can divide? Write down solution, answer. 2 by 5 divided by minus 1 by 3. Write down. Now write 2 by 5. Change the division sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number. Numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. This is called the reciprocal. Now you have to multiply numerator and the numerator. 2 3 are 6, 5 1 are minus 5. Write in standard form minus 6 by 5. That is the answer. Now question number 3 or 4 are on same process. 3 and 4 are on same process. The question is, this question is important. The product of two number is minus 3 by 7. If one of the number is 5 by 21, find the other. Here, the product of two number is minus 3 by 7. Product of two number is minus 3 by 7. Answer. Product of two number is minus 3 by 7. One number is given. One number is minus 5 by 21. Suppose second number is this box. You can write here x. And what is the multiplication it is given? Given minus 3 by 7. It is given. You have to find the second number. Similarly, this question, here it is based on multiplication. This question may be based on addition, subtraction, division. Now how you can solve? What you get? Minus 3 by 7. Now there is a sign multiplication. So you should to keep x in the left hand side. And what is in the right hand side? Minus 3 by 7. And there is sign multiplication. So write division. If there is a sign of plus, then you should to write here minus. If there is a sign division, then you should to write multiplication. Now what is this? 5 by 21. So write 5 21. Now you solve it. How you can solve it? You can solve it just x equal to minus 3 by 7 into reciprocal of 5 by 21 is 21 by 5. Now you can reduce it. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja, minus 3 into 3 minus 9 by 5. This is your answer. Now I am going to solve the sum problems of worksheet 6. Worksheet 6. How can you solve? Question number first. There are, dear students, you already know on a number line you find more numbers, more rational numbers between two rational numbers. So you read carefully the word integer and rational number. You should to replace the word integer by rational number. First is between two rational number you can find infinite rational number. Second, instead of integer you should to keep rational number. Third, between two integers we can find many rational numbers. Now these questions, now look carefully. Here question is sum here in the second chapter, value based question. Value based question again, same type. Rohit donated 1/5 of his monthly income to non-government organization, plus 1/4 on food, plus 1/3 on rent, plus 1/15 for other expenses. So first find the sum. Equal to what is the LCM? LCM will be 60. Now solve it. 12 plus 4, 16, 15, 1 ja 15, plus 3, 20, 20, 1 ja 20, plus 15, 4 ja 4, 1 ja 4. Now add 27, 20, 47, 4, 51 by 60. Remaining part equal to 1 minus 51 by 60. You solve it easily, you get 9 by 60. Now, according to question, rest amount 9 by 60 of salary. Yeah, 9 by 60. Total amount is left 9,000. So divide 9,000 by 9 by 60. It is in rupees, equal to 9,000 into 60 by 9, equal to 60,000 rupees. It is the monthly salary. Any problem? No. Thank you for today's class. Do more practice. Thank you.